Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you this 2020 Nissan Altima that we just wrapped up for a client of ours. Client came in with complaints of no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, very poor sound, and then he also is looking to add a subwoofer to add some extra bass to the vehicle. So we started with a Pioneer radio that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both of which are wireless. We replaced the front and rear speakers in the vehicle, and then we also added a 500 watt amplifier with a 10-inch subwoofer. So I'll show you the sub first. A lot of people think, they come to us, they think their car is going to rattle, and that does not have to be the case. You can see this is a smaller 10-inch sub in a ported box, so it's going to give you plenty of output. There's still a lot of room in the trunk. We have the amplifier on the rear seat, which is really small, so you can see everything is nice and clean. And then I'll show you the radio itself. The speakers, they fit behind the factory panels, so you can't tell anything has been modified. And the radio on this car is really cool. If you look from the factory, this silver and black piece, actually the original radio is kind of where our new radio is, but you can see how thin it is. So Pioneer makes a two-piece radio for weird situations like this. So it's almost like a floating radio. You can see again how thin it is. This particular radio has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Pretty much everything we sell nowadays radio-wise is going to have that feature. We were able to retain the factory steering wheel controls, the factory backup camera, and then of course you get all the new great features of this radio, including HD radio. If anybody has anything like this, radio upgrades you want to get done, speakers, of course subwoofers, please reach out, 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.